Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 1 crashing and Athena Crash Reporter error with the simple steps.
Fix 1. Restart Fortnite and Epic Games Launcher. Step 1. Close Fortnite completely. Step 2. Close the Epic Games Launcher from Task Manager. Step 3. Reopen the Epic Games Launcher and start Fortnite again. Fix 2. Verify Fortnite game file. Step 1. Open Epic Games Launcher. Step 2. Go to Library. Step 3. Click the three dots on Fortnite. Step 4. Select Manage, Verify. Step 5. Wait for repair to finish and restart the game. Fix 3. Update Fortnite and Epic Launcher. Step 1. Open the launcher. Step 2. Install any pending updates for Fortnite. Step 3. Restart your PC and relaunch the game. Fix 4. Lower graphics settings. Step 1. Open Fortnite Settings, gear icon. Step 2. Set graphics quality to low, medium. Step 3. Turn off None ray tracing, VSync motion blur. Restart the game.